Alright, here is my walk around video of this 325 wagon. It's kind of in the back here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So those wheels, they're just kind of dirty. They are good condition. The car is just kind of a little bit dirty, so I do apologize about this. I just trying to get you this video. The paint is peeling a little bit on the wheels right there. It's kind of hard to tell, but there is some paint. This is all just dirty, but it's just been sitting under the trees. They're cutting some trees down on that other property right there. So as you can see, the vehicle is in great condition. Interior is flawless. WeatherTech mats. Looks like just carpet mats in the back, but everything works as it should. Cup holders work. Figured out it pops this thing open. There's like a little, I don't know what that is, to be honest. I don't really want to open it, but something's in there. As you can see, everything back here works as it should. It's really nice. It's got this big like sunroof. Also works. I'll show you that here in a second. Rear wiper blade that has a trunk release button right there. A nice WeatherTech mat in the back. It's got the little sliding cover, and it's even got a spare because, as you know, these cars don't come with spares, so it has one there. I'm gonna set the vehicle down, I'm gonna set the phone down so I can do a cold start. As you can see, it sounds great. It's very smooth. That's the mileage. And then the sunroof. So this open up the shade all the way back. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunroof. And it even opens up too. Closes. And the curtain closes too. Okay, pop the hood for you as well. See, the motor is really clean. Hood struts still work perfectly fine. Everything looks good. Daytime running lights still work. If there's anything more specific you'd like to see, just let me know and I can be a little bit more thorough. I'm just kind of doing just something quick.